And welcome back to Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap, Part 5E. Bootstrap is working on a new release, which is currently in alpha. Some of the major and noteworthy changes that are coming up will include the use of sass instead of less, less. Sass is short for Syntactically Awesome Style Sheet. It's its own language that's compiled into CSS. Bootstrap will also be releasing a new grid tier for smaller screens. It'll target devices under 480 pixels. Bootstrap will be releasing something called cards to replace their wells, thumbnails, and panels. Bootstrap will introduce relative CSS units. It'll ditch pixels and start using REMs or EMs for more responsive typography. You can now opt in or opt out of the Flexbox module as it isn't supported by all browsers. Because of Sass's integration into Bootstrap, you now have the ability to customize your colors, spacing, link styles, and many more in a direct CSS custom file. Bootstrap also refactored its JavaScript plugins. And that'll be it for Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap Part 5.